Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. In today's video, I am so super excited guys because I'm going to be unboxing and using my new little gadget here, my new little friend, this laminator. I've been waiting to do this. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you how it works and tell you what I think about it after I'm done laminating the pages that I'm putting through. So make sure to stick around and watch. All right, my friends, so I just got this Scotch thermal laminator to use here at home to work with, to laminate our stuff for our kids that we are homeschooling. It was fairly inexpensive. I bought it for about $29.50 something at Walmart. So I'm really excited. And for $3, I got that insurance thing, that warranty to use with it. So I'm gonna unbox it. It's my first time ever using an at-home laminator. So this comes with 2 pouches. I also did buy a pack of 50. Let's see what this looks like. It is very small, which is awesome because we all need some space-saving stuff. It's very nice and compact. Okay, so from the looks of it, this is where we feed the laminator paper. I'm assuming, we'll find out here in a minute. The cord is stashed down here in the bottom, and it also has it so that you can wind it up for easy storage. And then here has the little release, and here are all the buttons that you use. So we can carry it like this. So let's see how this little fella is gonna work. I have several things to laminate here today. I am going to be laminating these cardstock alphabet letters. And I'm also going to, since we're using Abeka with our daughter, I'm going to be laminating the blend ladders that are found in the back of the video manual. So I'll be laminating all of those today. In the packet, you get one of these little manuals on how to use it, and it seems rather simple. It tells you what all the little things in there are for. Down here, you can have the 3 mil heating setting or the 5 mil heating setting. The pouches I got already have in there 3 mil. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on with the power button with the 3 mil because that's the paper I have. And then it'll start flashing when it's ready. According to instructions, it should take about 4 to 5 minutes. We are getting that blue ready light. It's saying that it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pouches from here. Start by laminating one of these little guys over here. Should fit just right in here. See that? Should fit just right in there. So I'm gonna find the opening. One side is open and the other side is sealed. So we're gonna place our paper right where we wanted. I'm gonna leave some edge to it. Right. This is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna take it and I'm going to place it with the sealed part here in here. Now I was like smelling something, I'm like, it smells interesting, and then I come over here, I'm like, oh, it's the laminator. It is releasing a kind of like a plasticky smell, so maybe it's for my first time use. And my son is like, that's what that smell is. Yes, that's what that smell is. So I'm going to place it in here, all right, like this, and it just seems to take it. Oh no, it didn't take it, it was coming through the bottom. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Okay, hold on, let me see, what am I supposed to do? All right, we're gonna take this out first. Oops, make sure you do that right there. I didn't, that was funny. First timer mistake, you see? It's my first time ever using this thing. You know what I mean, you guys all witnessed it. I was like, oh, wow, it comes out that quick. It's not warm. Okay, so we put the tab up here first. And now I'm gonna put these things in. There's like these little adjusting things. All right. Oh, now there it is. It's taking it automatically. You see that? And it has like these little the little adjusters over here if you want to change the setting. And it's coming out this end. It's like magic. Ooh, yeah. Very nice, very sturdy, nice and thick. I love it. Not the flimsy one. I like it. Nice. Very, very nice. And then like with these, I can always bend them also when I use it with my daughter. So that is perfect. Make sure that you put this thing up before you use it because, you know, I thought it was up, but no, you have to actually pull out and then put up. Now let's see how I can get these little fellas in there. I just ran 12 pouches through there without a problem, and it laminated all very, very well. Even as I was feeding, I got a little bit sloppy as I was feeding them in, and it was quite forgiving. So far, my first impression is, wow, this is a pretty awesome machine. It just did it so quickly and so awesome. Only time will tell how long this thing will last. I did get that $3 insurance added on to in case anything happens, I'll get a replacement. But they also have these at Amazon, so I'll link it below. They do like this with the pouch combo. I felt like Walmart had the better deal. All right, I'm done with my laminating for today, so I'm gonna turn it off and let it cool off before I store it away. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.